palangga, mga kaboxes, mga lovelies. For today's vlog, we're going to Karen's birthday. So, I have me, Jibik, the uncle of that, okay, Bik. I-start man. Dili, magana. Hawasan ng imong TL.
We're going to barracks.
My driver, I'm the driver. So you're going with us today. You're going with us to La Paz. You're going to La Paz. So now this is the road that we're going to, what do you call that? To ride in. So ride in the mountain. Ride in the mountain. Okay. My passenger says we're gonna ride in the mountain. We're going to La Paz, so
Very high.
yes. We're going to meet up some buyer, and at the same time, a happy birthday of Karen. So enjoy our trip. Just to watch the road, how it's so slippery and so lubak-lubak, like, you know, basakan, so the water is everywhere. Cute po na. maghunong sa amin. Tanaw na lang kita ko ang itsura. So kay ulan pa, hunong sa amin, namang dala, amo ang sakyan. Hunong sa takadyo. Nami sa Tagyago. ng Tagiago. Akong tindahan na ara dito sa unahan. Wala na mi dito nagsilong kay walay bakante. Good morning! Welcome to Walo Loreto, Agusan del Sur. So for today's vlog, I'm going to bring you in any barangay and municipality of Agusan del Sur. So right now, I'm here in their waffles. They call this waffles, but this is a river technically.
Wait a minute.
Right now it's flooding, that's why the current is going there. But at that part there is like a floating houses there. So right now we can't do that because it's so the water is so, you know, look at that. It has current. So today I'm bringing you after here, I'm bringing you to Panagangan, Agusan del Sur, La Paz, and then we're going back to Kumuta.